A lot of custom ROMs available in market, so it is very difficult to choose best ROM for your phone. And if you are already OnePlus Oxygen OS user, then it is more difficult for you. But in this video I'm gonna show you a ROM which has blazing performance as well as buttery smooth transition, so you can go for it. So without wasting more time, let's begin the video. But intro is important. Here I am using OnePlus 6 and I'm gonna install Evolution X on that phone, and believe me, Evolution X is one of the best ROM for gamers, or you can use it for your daily driver. Here you can see this is OnePlus 6. To install this ROM, firstly you have to unlock its bootloader and install TWRP on it, and I'm rebooting my phone in custom recovery by pressing reboot to recovery button. And I have already made a video on how to unlock its bootloader and install TWRP on it. You can check my video on video card. And it is restarting my phone in custom recovery, so wait until you see TWRP logo. Ignore these warnings, this is because my bootloader is unlocked. And now you can see my phone is successfully booted in custom recovery. You can also skip this warning. Let me adjust my brightness. You can directly install this ROM by wiping your system partitions, but you can also need to make backup of your ROM, because backup is important. If anything goes wrong, you can restore this backup. So backup boot system or vendor image. You can also backup your data. So I'm skipping backup cause I have already made the backup of this ROM, and you can restore this backup from restore button. Now it is time to install ROM on it. So just wipe your partitions, delete caches, system data, and leave internal storage and USB drive. Now navigate to your directory where you saved your ROM and click on your ROM and just save to install. And now you can see my installation is started. So wait, it can take some time to install.
Monkey.
Here you can see my ROM is successfully installed. Now you can reboot your system from here, or you can also format your data to avoid boot loops. Here you can see my data is formatted successfully. Now you can boot your system into a main system. Yes, again ignore this warning. This is because my bootloader is unlocked and it is saying me your bootloader is unlocked, your device is on risk. It can take some time on first boot, so be patient and wait until your phone is powered up. Here you can see my phone is successfully booted up. Let me set up it first, then I will show you its feature.
Monkey.
This is first look of this ROM and it is looking very smooth and it comes with very minimum application, just basic AOSP and Google applications. Let me show you Android version of this ROM. Yes, you can see my ROM is rocking with Android 11, which is latest phone now, and it comes with Sonic kernel, and you can play games on this kernel or you can change its kernel for better gaming performance. And here you can see many features in extra devices. So thanks for watching this video and I'll catch you next one. Bye bye.